Hello and welcome back to Infinifactory. Today we're going to work on meat product type 57. Ooh, we've got a bit of trees. It's the first time we haven't been in space, from what I can tell. Got some gopher holes over there. Always take a flight around the outer perimeter, see what we can see. And I guess we're going inside. Alright, so I mean, it looks like we're putting out packaged meats. I don't see how this is going to be difficult at all. The only question I have is where the meats are coming from. Are they coming from the gopher holes? I believe that it is. So let me check. We got eviscerators. Yeah, I'm gonna try to fucking kill these gophers. Let's do a pusher. And a sensor. And an eviscerator? No, not the eviscerator, okay. Get rid of that. Okay, will they jump off of belts? Or will they just take it? It looks like they'll more or less take it, which I'm fine with. The only thing that seems like it might be a problem it's not going to be a huge one. It's really not. We're going to just have to have it. Yeah, we're just going to have a 4-layered delay. And excuse me. And once this sensor gets triggered, which means the 5th one has come aboard, we are going to have an overhead conduit system like so, and I think we'll be able to did I do that backwards? Well, I don't know if I did it backwards, but I did it very wrong. Well, we need a pusher. pusher, pusher. Like so. And then conduits. And then, I mean, at that point, we just belts, 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 belts. And as long as we can get the gophers to the meatpacking device, we should be perfect. Like, I don't know how this could possibly go bad. Worst case scenario, we just have to build something to keep them in. Like, we just put fences around it. I don't think one blower is going to be high enough. Okay, so let me we're going to put blocks, keep them from messing around up here, and then it's going to be sensor, 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 conduit, 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 pusher, 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 and let's run it for a little bit. Okay, that's close. That is almost high enough. So we need the sensor to be high enough that it would be sitting on the cliff. That high. Okay. And I think in this case, well, if I just move that down one. In this case, we can actually just put the sensor there. Push, 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 sensor, and then another little 8 block right there. Conduit, conduit, conduit. No, I did that wrong. It should be sensor right there. Did that all wrong. Now conduit, now conduit. Push, push, push. Here. One. Wrong button. As far as I know, that should be it. Like, this should just work now. Okay, they are jumping off, which I knew was a possibility. Yeah, I mentioned that it might happen. So, I mean, all we gotta do there, like I said, is just build a little fencing unit. Really not a big deal. To prevent them from jumping off. Maybe if they land on one another's heads, maybe one will get loose, but you know, I don't particularly need them all to get there. This one is very slightly different than the others. I was thinking about changing it there, because the other ones just push them immediately onto a lifter. But this one, they go down the line a little bit first. And I was just thinking about, do I need, should I change it just so it's all the same? But not too worried about it. Alright, there they are. Now they can't do anything. They get packaged. Boop, they get pushed off to their respective outputs. Nothing you can really say about that. That's just, that's a well-oiled gopher killing machine. Like I said here, if they get on each other's heads, they might escape. But that's okay. Some of them survive. That's fine. But yeah, this is, as far as this talk-through goes, there's really not a whole lot to say. They pop out of their holes, they get shoved. If they try to jump into their hole, they're gonna trigger the sensor again and get shoved back. They can't jump left or right, so they have to jump forward onto the line. They get sent to a lifter, which brings them up into this conveyor system, and they just go down the line and into the packaging material. And then once we get 5 out, a sensor is triggered. All 4 of these push those out so that they get evenly distributed to the outputs, and that is all there is to it. A couple sensor push block systems at the top of lifters to get it up where it needs to be, but other than that, we're good. Pretty simple design, and we should be done here in a moment. Boom, done. Cycle score, holy crap! Did I set a fucking world record on the cycle score? Man, I don't know. I may have, but guys, I don't see anything over here. Footprint score right around the average. Block score a little bit above the average, but barely. And yes, cycle score. Man. Whoa, what the fuck?
Oh, I've got it. We have visual.
And I thank you all so very much for watching. I'll see you soon.